Namaste student. Today I will discuss about host plant resistance. What is host plant resistance? Relative amount of heritable qualities possessed by the plant which influence the ultimate degree of damage by done the insect is called host plant resistance to insect attack. Then lesser damage, then average damage to is taken as resistance, while more damage than average damage considering susceptibility. A resistant variety produces higher yield than a susceptible variety when both are subjected to the same extent of infestation by the same insect at the time. Resistance is the relative term only compared with less resistance or susceptibility. Absolute resistance or immunity refers to the inability of a specific pest to consume or injure a particular variety under any no conditions. Immune varieties are rare. Then ecological resistance or shadow resistance or apparent resistance. Ecological resistance uh, relies more on environmental condition than on genetics. Certain cross varieties may overcome the most susceptible stage rapidly and thus avoid insect damage. Early maturing crop cultivars have been used in agriculture as an effective pest management strategy. However, plant that evolved insect attack by this mechanism are likely to be damaged if the pest population build up. Early shadow resistance may be one or combination of the following. And then first is host evasion. Host evasion is under some condition. A host plant may pass through the most susceptible stage quickly or at the time when insects are less in number. Example, early planting of paddy in Kharif minimize the infestation of stem borer. इसका रूप हैगा इंसुलरस. Then sowing of sorghum soon after onset of monsoon in July help to overcome fruit fly infestation. Then insurance resistance is a form of temporarily increased resistance are resulting from some conditions of plant and its environment such as changes in the amount of nutrients or water applied to the crop. Example application of potassium fertilizer. Then third is host escape. Host escape is refers to lack of infestation or injury to the host plant because of transitory circumstances like incomplete infestation, thus finding of infested plant in a susceptible population does not necessarily means that is a resistance. Then genetic resistance. First is ecological resistance, second is genetic resistance. What is genetic resistance? The factors that determine the resistance of host plant to insect establishment include the presence of structural barriers, allochemicals, and nutritional imbalance. These resistance quality are heritable and operate in this considered manners and tend to render the plant unsuitable for insect utilization. Then genetic resistance may be grouped based on genetic resistance कौन कौन सी ग्रुप है. फर्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ जीन्स monogenic. Then mono means one. When resistance is controlled by single gene, it is called monogenic resistance. Then second is oligogenic resistance. When resistance is governed by few genes, it is called oligo resistance. Then poly means many genes. When resistance is governed by many genes, it is called polygenic resistance. This is also termed as horizontal resistance. Horizontal resistance also known as polygenic resistance. Then major or minor genes. Major genes resistance. The resistance is controlled by one or few major genes. Major genes have strong effects and these can be identified easily. This is also called vertical resistance. Then minor gene resistance. The resistance is controlled by a number of minor genes, each controlling a small effect. It is called minor gene resistance. This is also referred to a horizontal resistance. Then third is biotype reaction. Biotype reaction, first is vertical resistance and second is horizontal resistance. First is vertical resistance. It is a series of different cultivars of a crop show different reactions when infested with different insect biotypes. Resistance is vertical. In other words, when infested with the same insect biotypes. Some cultivars show a resistant reaction while others show as a susceptible reaction. It is also referred to also as a qualitative or biotype specific resistance. Vertical resistance is generally but not always of a high level and it is controlled by a major gene of oligogenes. It is considered less stable than horizontal resistance. Horizontal resistance describes the situation where a series of different cultivars of a crop show no differential interaction when infested with different biotypes of an insect. All resistance cultivars show similar levels of resistance to all biotypes. Uh, this types of resistance is called as biotype non-specific resistance. General resistance of qualitative resistance, generally horizontal resistance, is controlled by several genes or many genes, each with a small contribution to the resistance tiles. Then horizontal resistance is moderate, does not exert a high selection pressure on the insect and is thus more durable or stable than host plant selection process by an insect. Host plant selection is a process by which an insect select resources providing plant within an environment or large population of diversified plant species. The process of host plant selection involves a sequence of a 5 step. First is host habit finding. What is host habit finding? How to the adult population of any species arrives at a general host habits by phototaxis or anemotaxis and geotaxis. Temperature and humidity play important role. And normally, crop pests stay within general area where crops are planted and hence and this becomes less important in host plant selection. Then host finding. After locality habitat, the insect pest make a pur- purposeful search to locate its appropriate host plants for its establishment. The associated visual or olfactory mechanism help the contact. Once the pest reaches or contact the host plant, tactile and olfactory sensory organs arrest further movement, causing the insect to remain on the plants. Then host recognition. All those larvae are with sensory receptor for host recognition. This phase is usually taken care of by ovipositing female. Adult is usually done with the help of specific volatile from the plants. Example: onion maggots. Dahlia species attack to the host by the odor of propyl disulfide. Cabbage maggot fly, Dahlia brassica, get attracted by crucible due to presence of few glucosides. Then host acceptance. Various chemicals present in the host species actually govern the finding process of insects. These chemicals responsible for initial biting, swallowing, and continuous feeding. Example: presence of phagostimulation of morine in Mulberry morus albicis, key in continuation of feeding of silkworm Bombyx mori. Then host suitability. The nutritional value is term of sugars, protein, lipids, and vitamins, or absence of deleterious toxic compounds determine the susceptibility of the host of the pest is relation to the development of larvae, longevity, and feeding. Then mechanism of host plant resistance. How to mechanism कैसे करते हैं? Then R.H. Painter in 1951, the group of mechanism of the host plant resistance into three main groups. एक first is non-preference, second anti-biocide, third is tolerance. Then thorough various workers have attempted to classify the mechanism of resistance. The term defined by Painter in 1951. Non-preference, antimicrobial tolerance were widely accepted. However, Kogan and Oman 1978 proposed that the term non-preference should be replaced by antigenosis because the formal description a pest reaction and not a plant characters. The three types of resistance are described in the context of the functional relationship between the plants and the insect. Then first is non-preference of antigenosis. The term non-preference refers to the response of the insect to the characteristics of the plant host, which make it unattractive to the insect for feeding, oviposition, or shelter. Then Kogan and Oman 1978 proposed this term antigenosis as the term non-preference pertains to the insect and not to the host plant. Some plants are not chosen by insect of food, shelter, or oviposition because of either the absence of desirable characters in the plant like texture, hardness, taste, flavors, or presence of undesirable characters such as plant are less damaged by that pest, and phenomenon is called as non-preference. Then example, hairy varieties of soybean and cotton are not preferred by leafhopper or for oviposition. Uh, Open panicles of sorghum support less Helicoverpa armigera. Wax bloom on crucifers, their diamondback moth. Then antibiosis. Antibiosis refers to the adverse effect of host plant on the insect due to the presence of some toxic substance or absence is required nutritional component. Such plant are said to exuding antibiosis and hence to not suffers as much damage as normal plant. The adverse effects may be reduced fecundity, decrease size, long life cycle, failure of larva to pupa, or failure of adult emerge, and increased mortality. Indirect antibiotics may result in an increased exposure of the insect of its natural origin. One example of most classical example of some plant resistance DIMBOA is a variety 2,4 dihydroxy 7 methoxy 1 1,4-benzoate 3. They consider maize which impact chemical defense against European cornworm. Then tolerance. What is tolerance? Some plants withstand the damage caused by the insect by producing more number of tillers, roots, leaves, etc. In the place of damage, plant parts such plants are said to be tolerant to the particular is due to the quality of content of resistance variety. Then example of tolerance: early attack by the sorghum shoot fly on main shoot ensure the production of a new synodontic tillers that grow rapidly or survive to produce as early headed. Then transgenic plant, genetic modified plant. In major crop BT cotton, a transgenic crop plant contains a gene or genes which have been artificially inserted inside of a plant, acquiring them through pollination, or simply a normal plant with one or more additional genes from adverse source. Transgenic plant produce insecticide or antioxidant properties continuously under field condition. That protein are enough to kill target pest. Then to develop BT transgenic plant, selection of strain of BT, identify the genome, isolation of genes Crypast A, Crypast AC, Crypast Cry3 AB. Then introduction into plant through genetic engineering method. Then in India, made in long awaited insect entry into commercial agriculture biochemistry when the genetic engineering approved committee, Ministry of Environment and Forest, India, Government of India, at its 32 meeting held on New Delhi on 26 March 2002, approved the BT cotton hybrid for commercial cultivation. This is a historical decision, as BT cotton became the first transgenic crop to receive such as approval in India. These transgenic hybrids were developed by MICO, Maharashtra Hybrid Seed Company Limited, in collaboration with Monsanto. Thank you.